Hola, and welcome to Kim at Home. In this 2-day video, there are a lot of things that I will be accomplishing. First of all, I need to put the bed skirt on my bed. There's going to be a little struggle here, and actually the mattress falls on me, and I was so sore for like 2 days after this. At any rate, my daughters are helping me. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I am Kim. These beautiful young ladies are my daughters. I have a husband who is not here right now, and it's very nice to meet you. The goal for my channel is to share tips and tricks to help you along the way while you're cleaning so that you won't be spending an entire weekend cleaning your home. I say this all the time, but on the weekends we should be spending time with our families, right? Before you leave out, please do not forget to hit that red subscribe button as it helps my channel, and also show that like button some love as well. As I'm putting on this pillowcase, I am very well aware that it does not match the other pillowcases. However, if you have hair like me, you need a silk pillowcase. Leave a comment down below if you can relate. In normal Kim fashion, there are clothes on the chair, but they've only been there for 2 days, so I'm doing good. So I want to take a poll, because y'all be getting on me about the laundry thing. If you like to do laundry, leave a heart that's purple below. If you don't like to do laundry, leave a heart that's blue below. And for those of you who are new and have no idea what I'm talking about, I do not like to do laundry. I will clean any toilet in the house, we have 3, as long as my husband does the laundry. And that's how it works here. In my bathroom, I'm going to start off by cleaning all of the mirrors. The mirrors haven't been cleaned in probably about a week and a half, so I want to get that handled. And then I also want to wipe off my countertops. I wasn't able to do that this morning. I was in a hurry and I attended a bridal shower today. It was actually my first outing that was indoors since March. If I'm honest, I was so nervous to go, but I'm definitely glad that I went, and I had my mask on the entire time. But since I had a long day, there were some routines that I was not able to accomplish this morning, so I want to get those handled this evening. If you have any type of artificial plant in your home, make sure you clean the leaves off because they attract a lot of dust. I'm using Method bathroom cleaner in order to clean off the countertops. The more that I use this in my shower, I did realize there was like a yellow film that was left behind, and I really did not like that at all. So I switched back to using vinegar in my shower. And you know it would not be a Kim video without a sink floss. How is everyone doing? Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're working on. I'm not sure how good you can see this, but this is like 1 day of dust. So let me show you what I'm talking about. It's not really good lighting over there. Y'all see that? This is what I go through on a daily basis. Wipe it down. This is what you get every day, dust. Look at that. I know you guys see that. I don't understand why it's so dusty in my house. 이제부터 좀 달라
거야. Maybe I don't know. 처음부터 알고 있던 거야.
For my water room, aka the toilet, I sprayed Method bathroom cleaner first, and now I'm using Clorox wipes to wipe the toilet down. I'll make it quick. I know there's some sensitive people, but you know what? Cleaning a bathroom, you gotta clean the toilet too, right? Oh, and be sure you clean the toilet from top to bottom, everything around it, and the walls as well. Looking good, feeling good, Nothing like a Kim clean, okay? Here is your overall view of my bedroom, but I want to show you guys something. Do you know how long that's been sitting there? Don't even ask. Okay. I need to quit for today, so I will pick up back here tomorrow. Am I moving too fast? That's my trash over there from the bathroom. But yeah, we are DONE for the day. It's nighttime. This is the next day. I was exhausted, and I think I started recording that video last night at around 8:30, 9 o'clock.
You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turn out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe? Something you never needed. What was it all for? I don't know.
There really is not much to do in the kitchen, just, some dishes and wiping down the countertops, table, all that great stuff. I want to talk about the dish soap that I'm using. This is my first time using the Method dish soap as well, and I really do like it. I'm really feeling the Method products. Their wood cleaner, their dish soap, and also the bathroom cleaner. Their degreaser is one of my favorite products. Always wash those handles because they're dirty. You're touching them, okay? Wash them. It's gross. This video is not sponsored by Method. However, we are going to speak that into existence. I need a sponsorship. Vinegar, Method, listen, Jaws, I'm not discriminating, okay?
Was I wasting my time letting you into my life? You brought out the best in me. We had everything we needed. You put me aside and turn out the lights for no reason. Was it a make-believe? Something you never needed.
For this good sink clean, we're just going to use the Method dish soap as well as vinegar.
We go back, we go back, we go back, we collide. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying. Dangerous, selfish ways to love you more these days. We go back, we go back, we go back.
A great way to conserve the life of your sink is to be sure that you dry it out every time you wash it. You will also want to wipe down all of the items around your sink if you haven't done it in a while. I don't even remember the last time I did this, and it was really dusty, so I wanted to make sure I handled that. I wanted to show you a close-up of my countertops. I think people think my kitchen's always clean because it's white, but it's not. Here are some crumbs, so I'm going to get these wiped up.
We go back, we go back, we go back, we collide. Losing track, even God knows I'm trying.
Typically, when I'm wiping off my countertops, if there's crumbs, I kind of scoop them into my hand. This time I'm just scooping them on the floor because I have to sweep and mop my floor anyway. The shelf that I'm cleaning off is a DIY shelf that I made. When we got our kitchen redone, the lady that came out to do the countertops, she really liked my shelf, so she made me this free countertop to go with my shelf. Look at God. With this black corner shelf, I go back and forth with how I clean it. Sometimes I dust it, other times I wipe it down. It just really depends. Typically, I wipe it down when my husband's home so that he can reach the very top one. It's all about learning those tips and tricks so you don't have to work so hard. And sometimes that involves other people. I do not clean this TV enough. The reason I don't clean it enough is because it's kind of annoying. If you press too hard, you will break it. When I do clean it off, I do not spray the Sprayway glass cleaner on the TV. I actually just spray it on the paper towel or whatever it is that I'm using to clean the TV off with because it's just a very sensitive TV.
You don't touch me like I touch you. Never blush, baby, when I kiss you. But you don't. And I must confess that I wish I storyline and a few cliches. When we break.
I was just looking at how dirty this is. I want to see if you guys can see it on camera. Let's see. Yeah, you can. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this door cleaned off.
You don't want me like I want you. You don't feel me like I feel you. Oh no. And I must confess that you don't touch me like I touch you. Never blush, baby, when I kiss you. You don't. And I must confess.
This vent is super dirty. I thought about taking it off the hinges outside and cleaning it, but I'm gonna try this first. So the vent has a lot of dust on it. However, it was just changed. So, I mean, that just goes to show you, I just live in a dust bucket. You know what I'm saying? I live in a dust bucket.
There was something we could fix, but it's all over now. Yeah, it's all over now.
This is where we keep our shoes when we come in the house. We always enter through the garage. And this sign right here, no shoes beyond this point. Thanks. It should have said from management, because you know, that's me. But yeah, we don't do shoes in the house.
We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything.
There is a dead fly. Ew, that is so disgusting. I don't like flies. Here is where I store some of my cleaning utensils. There really is something about vacuum lines that's so pleasing. If you are still here, thank you so much. I truly, truly appreciate you. I really don't think you know how much I really appreciate it, for real. If you are not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? It's free, and you're going to get a lot of tips and some laughter. Please do not forget to show that like button some love as well. I'm spraying my floors with vinegar because I really, really like to clean with vinegar. And my man OCedar, which is my mop, does not have a spray cartridge. All cleaning products are listed below in the description box.
Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are.
So overall, I didn't really need to do much down here except for wipe down a little bit and sweep and mop the floors. Everything looks really good, and I have to cook, so I gotta go, okay? Be sure to subscribe, it's free. I'm gonna give you all kinds of tips. I'm gonna give you some laughter because y'all know I'm goofy, okay? I laugh all day. Also hit the like button. I have no business washing clothes. I washed this with a black blanket, and you see this, right? It ain't coming off. These are brand new. I just bought these 2 days ago, and now they have to go in the trash. Do you think that's funny? Thank you again for watching. You are amazing. Bye, guys.